One in six is an Indian anyways all over the world. So in terms of population, our cinema is thoroughly enjoyed.
Welcome to the Hollywood Reporter, India.
Oh, my pleasure to be here.
Well, we've traveled
Thank
really
you.
far to represent you here as well.
Sweet, thank you.
Well, you walked some of the most incredible global red carpets, whether it's Cannes or now Red Sea. What keeps this experience meaningful for you?
The celebration of cinema. I think it's just wonderful that there are such incredible platforms created in so many parts of the world where cinema is celebrated, is viewed, is discovered and explored. And I think that's just every opportunity that gives us a chance, like as members of the film fraternity, to support it and to add to the experience. It's an absolute pleasure to do so.
Well, when you see Indian films being screened over here, what about the journey that we're going with Indian cinema right now excites you the most?
The fact that markets continue to open themselves, the audiences continue to grow, and I think that's always a positive step towards our cinema reaching even further than it already has. One in six is an Indian anyways all over the world. So in terms of population, our cinema is thoroughly enjoyed, but a growing audience is always welcome.
Well, I was at your masterclass today and I loved hearing you say that you don't worry about things like a comeback because you have your hands beautifully full. What's your mind space right now?
I don't believe in those terminologies, is what I said. I mean, at the end of the day, once an artist, always an artist, right? So that's the way I view our craft. That's the way I view our industry, and audiences always validate that perspective. So that's the reality, and that's the reality one remains focused on. And at every opportunity, I will continue to express my gratitude to our audience world over for always just being so supportive and really extending their love and being my strength. So thank you.